Have you ever seen a sandwich that looks like art but tastes like dessert? Today, we're making amazing fruit sandwiches. So colorful, so fresh, and honestly, too pretty to eat. Stick with me till the end because the final cut will surprise you. Most of us think sandwiches are just bread, butter, and maybe cheese. But what if I told you they can also be sweet, refreshing, and packed with natural flavors? That's exactly what makes fruit sandwiches so popular in Japan. And now, right here in our kitchen. We'll build layers, slice through them, and reveal something that looks straight out of a painting. The fun part about fruit sandwiches isn't just the taste, it's the surprise you get when you cut them open. Every slice is like opening a gift. You never know what pattern you'll see inside. Did you know? Fruit sandwiches started as a way to use leftover fruit in bakeries. Now they're a trend worldwide. Comment below with your favorite fruit. Maybe I'll try making a sandwich with it in the next video. As we slice through, here it is. Just look at those clean lines, the vibrant colors, the way the fruit pops out. Doesn't it look too good to eat? This is the kind of recipe that makes you stop scrolling and just stare. If you had to name this fruit sandwich, what would you call it? Drop your funniest or most creative ideas below. So that's how you make fruit sandwiches that aren't just food. They're art on a plate. They're quick, refreshing, and guaranteed to impress anyone you share them with. If you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments, which fruit combo should I try next? And of course, don't forget to subscribe, because next time I've got something even more amazing lined up. Until then, keep cooking, keep creating, and keep surprising yourself in the kitchen.